Hi. One of the tools we use to create a summary inside the Excel file is Subtotal. In this file we have about 94 staff members, 700, coming from different countries, and I need to create a summary for each country. So I need to know how many staff members working for each country and how much salary we pay for them. To do so, I need to sort my file using the information. I need to create the summary. So if I need to create a summary upon the country, I need to sort them by the country. If I need to make my summary according to the building, I need to sort them according to the building. So let's say we will create a summary by building. So from data, subtotal. The first information is the summary. So if I need to create a summary using the building, so I have to create a change in building. I need to count and sum. But the problem here, I can only select one information, one function. So we will select sum using the building and sum using the salary. If I need to print each building in a separate page, I need to select page break preview. Once I click OK, I can see here three numbers. Number 3 is the whole data. Number 2 is the summary. So for the main building, we pay this amount, for the north, for the south, and so on. But I don't know how many staff members working, because here also we are using sum. And number 1 is the high level summary. So this is the total salary for the whole company, for the 700 staff members. Actually, the subtotal, create a subtotal function for the summary and for the salary and for the building. And use 9. 9 means sum. So if I need to switch from sum to count A, because I'm counting the name, I need to change this 9 to 3. We will do this automatically, but first we need to select only the visible cell. What I select now is all the cell between cell 200 and cell 700. So from find and select, go to special, visible cell only. Now select only these 7 cells, or 8 or 9 according to the building number. Now from the keyboard, I will use Control H, which in find and replace. I'll search for 9, 9 in subtotal means sum. And instead of 9, we will use 3, 3 in subtotal means count A. So now for each building, I know how many staff members and how much salary we pay. One of the benefits of the subtotal, if I need to only see the people in the south building, I can press on this plus icon. If I need to collapse them again, I can click on 2. If I need to see the whole data, I can click on 3. That's it.